HVAC thermostat wiring. What does the yellow wire, what is it used for, and etc.? Generally speaking, not a universal statement. The yellow wire may go to the condenser outside, and sometimes, now keep in mind, sometimes people take and run a red wire in the common outside or the yellow all the way out. But the yellow wire is for your cooling, for your outdoor condenser unit, generally speaking. Well, actually, the refrigerant comes through the A coil, which is in your air handler, which could be inside too, but the yellow wire is for cooling. Thank you.